Good afternoon. This video is about Meccano versus pop rivets. So you should know what Meccano is. I hope you do. But if you don't, it's a very cheap way to build things. It's a toy. So you have lots of pieces which are all the same. And the holes are all M4. Here's a 4mm drill bit. So they're all M4. Okay. And that means, so the normal way of using Meccano is with these screws and nuts, which they can shake loose if there's a lot of vibration and so on, or for any other reason. So one thing I thought of doing is, I must be the 94th person to do this, is use a pop rivet. Now, we don't need this anymore. So I'll shut the box. That's the other thing about Meccano. If you get a big kit, you get a nice box. So we have two pieces which we want to attach. Supposing we want to attach this like that. Instead of using screws, you can go out and you can buy some rivets. These are 4mm, or the M4, and I've got 3.2mm length. There's all different lengths. Choose what you need to for the depth of things you're going to put on, and then you got to choose which side you want the smooth bit to go on. You'll see that in a minute. So you put that in there, and you can see it's coming out the other side, and then you get your pop rivet tool. Some people call that a pop rivet gun, but you can call it what you like. So yeah, so you do the riveting. So that you pull that in there, and then squeeze. You might need to squeeze it a bit more. There we go. Alright, and then what you end up with is a very strong joint, and you can see the pop rivet has squashed open on the other side, but you do get a nice smooth side. So you got to choose which side you want the head of the rivet to be on, this side or the other side. Obviously you probably want to choose it based on what you're building. But there you go. Pop rivets, 4mm pop rivets versus Meccano. It's very good. Bye bye.